Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bridge Course Day 24. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalay Varje Pune. Today we will learn topic equation in two variables and equation in two variable concept. If we observe this video, then you will able to explain concept of an equation in two variable. Also will able to find solution of equation in two variable. Let us revise. Observe the equation in following table and identify variable in them and degree of the equation. Can you tell me? Degree means highest power of the variable is the degree of equation. Let us observe the first equation. Can you tell me? Which is the first equation? Right. X plus 2 is equal to 5. In this equation, which is the variable? Here x is the variable. Therefore, we write here variable x. And can you tell me the power of the variable x is how much? Nothing means 1. Therefore, the degree of this equation is 1. Now, can you tell me which is the equation number 2? M minus 3 is equal to 7. And in this equation, which is the variable? M is the variable. And power of the variable is how much? Nothing means 1. Therefore, in this equation, M is variable and degree of this equation is 1. Now, observe the third equation. Can you tell me which is this equation? Right. Y plus 5 is equal to 10. In this equation, y is the variable and power of this variable y is 1. Therefore, in this equation, which is the variable? Y is the variable and its degree is 1. Now, the question number 2. Solve the following equation. To solve the equation means we have to find out the value of the variable. Therefore, we write the first equation here. M plus 7 is equal to 3. Can you tell me in this equation which is the variable? In this equation, M is the variable. Therefore, to find the value of the variable M, we don't require here this 7. Therefore, we have to transfer this 7 to RHS. Therefore, which terms are remaining here? M and 3 is remaining. Now transfer this 7 to RHS, plus 7 becomes as negative 7. Therefore, M is equal to 3 minus 7. Now simplify this. 3 minus 7, how much? Here we have to take subtraction between these two number. Then we have to think which is the greater number. Here 7 is greater than 3. Therefore give the sign of 7. Which is the sign of 7? Negative. Now subtract 3 from the 7. 7 minus 3 is nothing but how much? 4. Therefore we will get M is equal to negative 4. Hence we solve the equation number 1. Can you tell me which is the equation number 2? 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. Can you tell me which is the variable in this equation? X is the variable. That means we have to transfer these 5 to RHS. Then we will get 2x is equal to 13. If you transfer this plus 5 to RHS, plus 5 becomes as negative 5. Now first we have to simplify these 13 minus 5. Here 13 is greater than 5, therefore 2x as it is, 2x is equal to 8. Now to find the value of variable x, we don't require here 2. Therefore transfer this 2 to RHS. This x is multiplied to the x, therefore multiply becomes as divide by 2. Now dividing by 2 we will get how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 4. This is the solution of equation number 2. Are you clear? Can you tell me which is the equation number 3? Very good. Y plus 3 is equal to 2. Now in this equation, which is the variable? In this equation, y is the variable. Therefore, to find the value of y, we have to transfer this plus 3 to RHS. We will get y is equal to 2 and plus 3 becomes as negative 3. Therefore, y is equal to, here 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, give the sign of 3, negative 1. Are you clear this? What you observe from this equation? That means in this equation x is the only one variable and its degree is 1. Hence these type of equations are called equation in one variable. Remember this. In the equation there is only one variable and its degree is 1. Then we say that such type of equations are called equation with one variable. Important points. The first important point is equation into variable. Let us we take example. Find the two numbers whose sum is 12. We don't know which these two numbers are. Therefore, let these two numbers are x and y. And their sum is 12. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 12. Above equation is the equation into variable. In this equation, two different variables are used and degree of both variable is 1. So more than one solution for above equation and those equations are as follows. If you take value of x is equal to 9, then we will get value of y is equal to how much? We subtract the 9 from 12, therefore 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. If you take x is equal to 8, then value of y is equal to how much? 4. If we take value of x is equal to 7, then we will get value of y is equal to how much? 5. What you observe here, if we decrease value of x, then the value of y is increases. Hence, solution for above equations are 9, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 6, 6, negative 1, 13, 10, 2, and so on. That means in these equations there are infinite many solutions for the equation in the form x plus y is equal to 12. Next, find the two numbers with difference of 8. Difference means we have to take subtraction. Therefore, let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. Therefore, difference between these two numbers is nothing but greater number x minus smaller number y is equal to 8. Above equation is the equation in two variable. So, we can get more than one solution for above equation. Those are as follows. Similarly, if you take here value of x and y. If we take value of x is equal to 9, then we will get value of y is equal to 1. If we take value of x is equal to 10, therefore 10 minus 2 is equal to how much? 2. Therefore value of y is equal to 2. If you take value of x is equal to 11, then we will get value of y is equal to 3. 11 minus 3 is equal to how much? 8. If you take value of x is equal to 12, then we will get value of y is equal to 4. If you take value of x is equal to 13, we will get value of y is equal to 5. Hence, solution for above equations are 9, 1, 10, 2, 11, 3, 12, 4, 13, 5, so on. Today's subtopic second, general form of equation into variable. x plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of equation in two variable. In this equation, the coefficient a, coefficient b and constant term c are real numbers, and here the coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b cannot be 0 at the same time. Remember this, coefficient of x and y cannot be 0 at the same time. For example, 3x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation, x and y are these two variables. The coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is 2 and constant term is 2. All these are the real number. So, the equation 3x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation in two variable. The second equation is 3x plus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 5 and constant term is 4, that are real numbers. Similarly, the equation third is 5x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0 and equation 4 is x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. All these are the equation in two variables. Exercise question number 1. Write the following statement in equation form using two variables and write the 5 solution for each equation. Find the two numbers whose sum is 12. So let the first number be x and second number is y. If you take the first number is 1, to find the second number we subtract from 12. Therefore 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. If we take value of x is equal to 2, then to find the value of y, we have to subtract the value of x from 12. Therefore 12 minus 2 is equal to how much? 10. Therefore value of y is equal to 10. In this way we calculate these in your mind. If you take value of x is equal to 3, then value of y is equal to how much? 9. If you take value of x is equal to 4, then value of y is equal to how much? 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. These are the two numbers whose sum is equal to how much? 12. For the second, find the two numbers whose sum is 16. Let these numbers are x and y. Now, if we take value of x is equal to 1, then to find the value of y, we subtract these 1 from 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to how much? 15. Therefore, value of y is equal to 15. If you take value of x is equal to 2, then we subtract this value of x from 16. 16 minus 2 is equal to how much? 14. Therefore, value of y is equal to 14. If you take value of x is equal to 3, then what is the value of y? That means we have to subtract 3 from the 16. 16 minus 3 is equal to how much? 13. In this way we find out the remaining values. Now find the two numbers whose difference is 25. Let the greater number is x and smaller number is y. So if you take the value of x is greater than 25, if you take value of x is equal to 25, so we will get value of y is equal to 0, because 25 minus 0 is equal to how much? 25. If we take value of x is equal to 26, therefore we subtract this difference from the greater number x. Therefore we write here 26 minus 25, how much? 1. We will get value of y is equal to 1. Suppose value of x is equal to 27, then we subtract 25 from the value of x. Therefore 27 minus 25, we will get how much? 2. In this way we find out the value of x and y whose difference is 25. Now for the example number 4, find the two numbers whose difference is 14. If you take value of x is equal to 14, then subtract difference from the value of x. 14 minus 14 is equal to how much? 0. Now we take value of x is equal to 15. Then subtract this difference from 15. 15 minus 14 is equal to how much? 1. If you take value of x is equal to 16, to find the value of y, we subtract this difference from the value of x, that means 16 minus 14. How much? 2. In this we find out the another pair of x and y. We have to find out two numbers whose difference is 2. That means the number 1 is greater than other number. Therefore, let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. So, we convert this statement into equation. Greater number x minus smaller number y is equal to 2 is an equation. So we get infinite solution for this equation. So we write here the variable x and variable y. If we take the value of x is equal to 10. So to find the value of y, we have to subtract the difference from the number x. Therefore 10 minus 2 is equal to how much? 8. So we will get value of y is equal to 8. If we take value of x is equal to 9. So to find the value of y, we subtract 2 from the value of x. That means 9 minus 2 is equal to how much? 7. So we will get value of y is equal to 7. If we take value of x is equal to 8. So to find the value of y, we subtract difference from the value of x. Therefore 8 minus 2 is equal to how much? 6. So value of y is equal to 6. So if we take value of x is equal to 8, then we will get value of y is equal to 6. That means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. If we take value of x is equal to 7, then to find the value of y, we subtract difference from 7. We will get 7 minus 2 is equal to how much? 5. Therefore 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Let us write the solution of the above equation as follows: 10, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6. Therefore we write here 8, 6, 7, 5. So we write here 7, 5, so on. There are infinite number of solutions. Next example, find at least 5 solutions of the equations m plus n is equal to 12. So we write here m and variable n. If we take value of m is equal to 12, so value of n is equal to, that means 12 minus 12. We subtract the value of m from the 12, we will get 0. Therefore n is equal to 0. If we take value of m is equal to 11, so subtract this 11 from 12. 12 minus 11 is equal to how much? 1. If we take value of m is equal to 10, then we subtract x from the 12, we will get 2. If we take value of m is equal to 9, then we subtract this value of x from 12, we will get 3. In this way we find out another pair of numbers, m minus n is equal to 4. So we find out value of m and n. If m is equal to 5, then to find the n, we subtract 4 from the value of x. That means 5 minus 4 is equal to how much? 1. Therefore n is equal to 1. If we take value of m is equal to 6, then to find the value of n, we subtract 4 from 6. We will get 2. If you take value of m is equal to 7, then to find the value of n, we subtract 4 from this value of m. That means 7 minus 4 is equal to how much? 3. In this manner, we will find out the remaining pairs of m and n. Write at least 5 equations in two variables using variable x and y. Replace this m and n by x y. Therefore x plus y is equal to 12. This is the first equation. X minus y is equal to 4. We will write here 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. In this we write equations which are in two variables. If you like these videos, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Thank you.